Hey everyone, it's Maggie from Mom Maggie's Kitchen here in San Diego, California. Today making for you grilled Mexican street corn. It is delicious, and I'm going to teach you how to make it in your own backyard. You are going to love this. For more grilling tips and recipes, click below and subscribe to the Kingsford YouTube channel. To make Mexican street corn, you need corn. All right, how to choose corn. Okay, peel it open just a little bit and just make sure that the corn kernels are all together. Sometimes you might miss a corn kernel here and there. That's not your corn. Put that one back. And these, I've already checked and they're perfect. What we do, oh guys, this is the way we do it on the ranch. We soak them just like this with the husk on and everything. Just stick them in a big pot and you cover them with water. The corn is going to soak for 30 minutes. In the meantime, we're going to get our grill ready. Okay, so we're going to turn this on and we're going to go to 400. There it goes. Perfect. My grill is ready. So, oh, hello. It is hot. This is going in here for 45 minutes. You want to get char all around the corn. You want it black. Don't worry, it's going to be okay. All right, so we'll be back in just a little bit. Our corn is ready. Let me show you what I've got. Oh, hello, corn. Ooh, check this out. You're gonna love this. Okay, so right in the center, there's this big ol' M for Masterbuilt. Look at my corn. You see my corn? My corn has the Masterbuilt logo on it. Okay, so if you've never done this before, don't worry about the charring. Okay, it's the corn is kind of cocooned inside. It's been steaming for the last 45 minutes or so. All right, so it's okay. In fact, well, it's hot right now, so be careful, don't touch this. But do you see? It's really hot. Before you assemble, let this cool. Okay, you don't want to burn yourself. All right, so we'll be back in just a little bit. Let's go grab our toppings and everything. Okay, our corn has cooled down and it is ready to assemble. All right, just peel the husk down. Be careful though, if it's hot, just be careful. As for our toppings, we've got mayo. Oh yes, mayo. If you don't like mayo, you can also use sour cream or even crema mexicana. If you've never had it, don't worry. You can get crema mexicana at Walmart. You can get all of these ingredients at Walmart. This mayo, it's our glue for the rest of the toppings. Okay, there's our mayo. Now, cheese please. This is cotija. Now cotija is a Mexican cheese. Okay, next topping, dried chili powder. Last but not least, you've got lime. Best part right now, I'm gonna eat. Okay, oh yes, give me grilled Mexican street corn, guys. Mmm, 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 mmm. Oh, I love the creaminess, the saltiness, it's spicy. Oh, and then that charcoal flavor just elevates it, takes it up a notch. Yum, you are going to love this. Thank you to Kingsford, Masterbuilt, Walmart for making this possible. I'm Maggie from Mom Maggie's Kitchen. Go check out my blog. I'll see you next time.